Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a YouTube short on iPad. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app. Tap the plus button at the bottom. Then tap create short. Then record your video up to 60 seconds. Then you can flip the camera, adjust speed, then set a timer and add music. Then tap next and add text, filters, or sounds. Tap next again, then add a title, include hashtag short for better reach. Then tap upload short. If you edited your videos in apps like CapCut or iMovie, open the YouTube app, then tap plus create, then tap upload video, then select a vertical video, then add title and details, and after that, tap upload. Shorts work best in vertical format. Keep it under 30 seconds for better retention. Add captions or text to hook viewers in the first 3 seconds. Use trending sounds. Post consistently. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.